TMV Toons!
TMV Toons!
Tashu and Friends!
Tashu and Friends!
Tashu and Friends!
Almost ready, beta.
Yay! They look so yummy!
Here you go, eat up.
Oh, a little bird! You're shivering from the cold.
Look at this little bird. It's soaked in the rain and shivering.
Yes, let's help it! Good idea! Don't worry, little bird. I'll take you home. Thank you, Toto. We're coming too! Yeah, let's go! Warm house!
There you go, little one. All warm now. And some warm tea for you.
Thank you! That's so sweet.
The little bird is opening its eyes.
Feeling better!
Subscribe to TMV Toons! See you in the next adventure!